Hello everyone, my name is Giga and I'm co-founder of OpenPledge, and in this video I will show you a really cool feature we just introduced. So on OpenPledge you can have all the issues synced from the repository that you have connected to our platform, and you can obviously receive pledges on those issues. The thing that most likely happens eventually is that some maintainers don't want to receive pledges on all the issues because some issues may be outdated or just postponed to a distant future. So what we did is enable maintainers to select which features they only want to receive pledges to. So how is this done is you have to go to your profile. Of course you need to be logged in with your GitHub profile. Click on the profile picture or your name, and you will see this new segment, connected repositories, where you can see obviously all connected repositories. And you can see I have two of them, and I have this settings icon here. If you click on it, you will see a pop-up window appear. Here we plan to add even more repository settings, but at this very moment we only have the require pledgeable label setting, which is exactly what its name suggests. It automatically creates a pledgeable label in your GitHub repository, and this means that from here on only issues that have this label will be able to accept pledges. So let's check here and click Save Settings, and this in the background automatically created the label in my repository. So if I go to GitHub repository page and click on labels, you will see that we have pledgeable label right now, which was automatically created. Great. So another thing that that immediately changes, if we go back to Discover page, you will see that there is no more pledge button on issues which are on GitHappens repository. So this is exactly why this happens, because we didn't add our pledgeable label to any issues yet. So at this very moment, a request button just show you the message. So please comment on this GitHub issue to request the pledgeable label. Later on, we plan to do this automatically, but for now you'll have to communicate with the maintainer through GitHub. So how to make this issue pledgeable again? You have to go to GitHub and of course find this issue under issues of repository, and here it is, improve onboarding experience with setup wizard. And on the right side, I'm sure you know, you can pick all the labels, but now it's not only those who you created, but it's also the pledgeable label that OpenPledge created on its own. So click here, and this added the label. And if you go back to the OpenPledge and refresh page, observe this button, which will change from request to pledge. Here we go. And now this issue can accept pledges like it used to. So if you go to the repository page on OpenPledge, you will see that this issue still has a pledge button, but all other issues have request button, right? So because we only added this label to one issue, so all other issues have request button. So make sure you don't change the name from pledgeable, because this is the exact name that we are searching for, so it has to stay exactly that. Maybe later on we will enable so you can change the name to whatever you want to, but for now just please let it be as it is. So this is it for this video. Just wanted to quickly show you what's that new feature that we introduced, and yeah, see you next time.